Layover in Kuala Lumpur? From KUL Airport Lounge access to exploring the Petronas Towers, your time here can be amazing. Whether you have 4 hours or 16, here's your plan for KUL. Getting around from KUL is easy. The KLIA Express takes you to the city in 45 minutes for about 60 ringgit one way, or grab a rideshare for 80 to 120 ringgit in around 25 minutes. Let's build your itinerary. With just 4 hours, stay at the airport and make it comfortable. Start by clearing customs and grabbing your bags. Then head to one of the KUL Airport Lounge options like Plaza Premium for showers, Wi-Fi, and snacks. After freshening up, explore the duty-free shops or grab a local meal like nasi lemak at a food court for 15 to 25 ringgit. Finish with a quick massage or coffee before heading to your gate. Got 8 hours? Now you can see the city on your Kuala Lumpur Layover. After clearing customs, jump on the KLIA Express to KL Central in 45 minutes. From there, take the LRT to KLCC station in just 10 minutes. Head straight to the iconic Petronas Twin Towers and snap photos from KLCC Park. Then grab lunch at the Surya KLCC food court for authentic Malaysian cuisine at 20 to 30 ringgit. Take the trains back to the airport, arriving with plenty of time before your flight. 16 hours? That's a full day in Kuala Lumpur. Start by taking the KLIS Express into the city. Then head to Batu Caves via KTM commuter train. Climb the 272 colorful steps to the Hindu temple caves and spend an hour exploring. Next, take the train to Merdeka Square to see the colonial Sultan Abdul Samad building and walk to Central Market for Malaysian handicrafts. Grab lunch at a local spot for 20 to 30 ringgit. After that, hit the Petronas Towers in KLCC Park for photos and shopping at Surya KLCC. For dinner, head to Jalan Alor Street Food Market for grilled seafood and char kway teow. Finally, take the trains back to KUL with time to spare. Budget breakdown. 4 hours costs about $55 staying at the airport. 8 hours costs about $35 with a quick city visit. And the full-day adventure runs about $65. A few tips. First, buy KLIA Express tickets online for discounts. Second, use ATM's not exchange counters for better rates. And third, store luggage at the airport if exploring the city. Planning a Kuala Lumpur layover? Full guide at yopki.com. Link below.